All right, YouTube, one of the last videos we're going to be making is going to be painting that chrome grille on the 4Runner. Now this grille is going to be gloss black to go with the theme of what I have going on for the rest of this vehicle. Now our bronze piece is still painted, but this chrome has got to go. And I'm just going to remove that and paint it real quick in gloss black, as well as what's in the back. All right, now that we have the hood up, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 4 on that side nuts that you have to take off. So 8 in total surrounding this whole thing. And then there are another 2 holding on this bracket for the hood latch. So I'm just going to remove these 2, and then I should be able to take the whole grille off and sand it down to paint. Now the rear has the same thing going on with this chrome piece that's here. So that's going to come off and get painted in gloss black. All right, so I've already started taping off some of this, and it's going to be a little bit more difficult for me to take this off the rear of the car. So I'm just going to leave it on so I can paint it real quick, because the paint process on the back should be a lot simpler and it won't have as much wear and tear as compared to the front. So I'm just going to tape off the symbol that I painted, tape around the edge of this so no overspray gets on there, and then I have some prep spray to wipe up any residual paint that may have gotten on to the green bed liner. So let me finish taping this up. All right, we're all taped up. I'm gonna sand this down real quick and paint it so that way it can dry outside, and I can focus on the front one inside where it's climate controlled and no weather. All right, so I got my paint here, and I'm just gonna scuff this up with some 320 grit sandpaper right up there, get some of this residue off, and then we should be ready to paint. All right, I see a few runs. I went a little heavy when I was spraying. A lot comes out at one time, and I should have did a light coat first to let it dry and then go over with a heavier coat. But I got a little too close and a couple of runs came through, but it's all right. For those of you wondering about this overspray right here, that is going to be taken care of with this stuff right here called prep spray. Spray a little on this rag, wipes right off. Damn, it's like it was never there. Best stuff ever. Now I gotta just wait for this to dry, and then I'll hit it with a clear coat. All right, and there we go. All done. 10 times better. All right, now as far as the front end, this is gonna be a lot simpler. All I have to do is just tape off that symbol, and once I tape that off and sand down the entire surface, then I can go ahead and go in with my spray paint and paint everything. Now, something I just realized that made me feel a little stupid, but at the same time, not so stupid, a little smart, still stupid. I'm stupid. Anyway, the symbol has these 3 Phillips head screws just holding it in place. So I can just take this off, spray the whole thing black, and then screw that back into place. It's great. It's great. It's so good. I wasted a little bit of time taping it up, but it's all right. Now we can just take that off. Oh, no. That's this whole portion right here in the front. Which actually, looking back at it, maybe it wouldn't be too bad if that whole thing around was black and this whole strip right here was bronze. Maybe. F it, let's try it out. Because why not? It's my car. If I don't like it, I can change it later. All right, never mind. I'll just maybe cut that whole part out of the video because that was a terrible idea. This thing is brittle and it's falling apart. So I'm just glad I kept the tape on there. Right, Artie? Yes, yes, she agrees. So we're just gonna go ahead and do what we had planned on doing and just spray all of this and gloss black. All right, now I've learned from my mistake in the rear. I did a light coat, let it dry, and this is fast drying. So let it dry, then go over with a heavier second and third coat. All right, time for the last coat, and everything looks nice. All right, everything is dry and clear coated, so time to put it back on. And there we go. Look at that. All nice and shiny. Same thing with the back. All shiny. All right, now that wraps it up for this one. Be sure to follow, like, and subscribe for more content. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.